Hello, greetings, people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Shepherd Professor Mo Dominion, and on this video today, I have come to talk about the skin glow. Yes, the skin glow. And now, I want to tell you the natural things you're going to use for your skin glow. And one of it is the fresh turmeric. The fresh turmeric. Secondly, you will be needing honey. And lastly, you'll be needing the egg yolk. Remember, not the egg white, but now the egg yolk. Right? And how are you going to prepare it? You're going to get your fresh turmeric. Please do not get the dry one. Do not get the dry one. You're going to get the fresh turmeric. Okay, get it about 15 to 18 pieces and uh grate it. Please keep to all of my instructions. Grate it. Do not blend. Do not blend. Grate it. All right, use the grater and grate it. All right, and after grating it, what next are you going to be doing? Add just a very little small water in order to help you extract the turmeric juice. Okay, now after grating your turmeric and extracting the turmeric juice, what else are you going to be doing? You are going to be getting your egg. Break it. Just one egg is okay. Break it and extract the egg yolk. Please, the egg yolk. For the people that doesn't know what the egg yolk means, the raw fowl egg, break it and get that yellow part of it, not the white. All right, now get the egg yolk and mix it vigorously, mix it very well with the turmeric. Okay, and then add 3 spoons of honey. Yes, add 3 spoons of honey to it and mix vigorously, like mix very, 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 very well. Mix very, very well. All right, and immediately after the mixing, your skin glow or natural therapy is ready. Okay, now how are you going to be doing it? Apply it 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, like let me explain this. Apply it on your face and leave it on your face for 30 minutes to 45 minutes in the morning before you go out. And when you return from your work, apply it also 30 to 45 minutes. Like apply it and leave it on your face for about 30 to 45 minutes, and that is all. Doing this for a complete 1 month would make you look very, 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 very young and beautiful, like very much more beautiful. Okay, that is it for the skin glow. All right, so this is a natural one, this is a natural remedy, and I believe everyone can afford this particular work. Right, my name is Professor Mo Dominion. And please, I would beg you, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. It is helping us to stay in this business. All right, if you've not done that, please do that. Like my video, share it, copy it from the share button, copy it, share it to people that you know that they need this knowledge also. Right, no more organic this, organic that. I would be telling you a very simple remedy that you can use to maintain your skin. For my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for returning. Please keep viewing our content as we promise to improve every day by day. Thank you and God bless. Bye.